Hello mga kakusina! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pia Besmonte at ito ang kusina ni Nenoy. Today's video ay share ko sa inyo ang aking recipe for sinampalukang manok. If you were able to watch the last video na in-upload ko doon sa 3B Resthouse Resort in Antipolo, ito yon. Ito yung nagluto ako for the team. And yun nga, niluto ko for the second day yung sinampalukang manok. Just before we check out and go home, ito yung kinain ng team. And also, I would like to give a big shout out for this team because they gave me a very special gift aside from the surprise cake and food and the birthday greeting card. Yung binigay nila sa akin, it is an apron and merong naka-embroidered na the chosen one because yung talaga ang pinangalan sa team na to. Ayun, so shout out sa inyo. Thank you so much sa special gift na binigay nyo sa akin. I really loved it. Ayan. So, meron na akong magagamit na panibagong apron bukod doon sa Hello Kitty na apron na ginagamit ko since day 1 na nagvo-vlog ako for this channel. So, thank you so much again. And, ayun, without further ado, isi-share ko na sa inyo ang video ng aking sinampalukang manok. Kung ikaw ay hindi pa subscriber ng channel na to, be a certified kakusina by subscribing to this channel. I-click mo na rin yung notification bell para notified ka sa mga susunod pa na mga videos. Please let me know your thoughts about this dish and about this video by putting the comments below. And I would also love to read all your ideas, tips, and recommendation and any suggestion or if kung ikaw man ay may request at babasahin ko yan sa comment section. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So ito na nga, unahin ko na ibigay sa inyo ang ingredients and the procedure on how to cook sinampalukang manok.